Hey there, my name is Ryan, and I'm part of the sales team here at Gregg Distributors. Welcome back to Gear Up with Gregg's. Today, we are going to discuss log streamers and what they do to help keep you safe on the road. Did you know that in Canada, a vehicle carrying a load that is 1.5 meters longer than the rear of the vehicle must have certain safety measures in place? We've all seen a pickup truck or van hauling 2x4s with orange tape tied around them. And that's because these safety measures are required by law. Without them, you could be looking at a hefty fine. The most common place you'll find these streamers is, you guessed it, on logging trucks. Whether you're on a lonely mountain road or the Trans-Canada Highway, here in Canada, you always have to have your wits about you when it comes to driving around logging trucks. These streamers might look simple, but they could be the one thing keeping you from a nasty accident. Now let's say you're driving behind a logging truck and have a fairly good idea of how far you are from the longest log. Well, depending on the lighting, what you see can be misleading. Take these 2x4s for example. Sometimes, when you're looking head-on at an object, it can be hard to tell which one is longer. But when you change the perspective, there can be a big difference. That's why log streamers are used to easily identify the longest points on a load. But load safety isn't just important for logging trucks. Whether you're driving a commercial vehicle or a personal pickup truck, any oversized load needs to be marked. That's why we carry so many different types of visibility markers. In fact, we make these great streamers right here at Gregg's. First up, we've got your basic streamers. They come in pairs, each streamer with 5 strips of 1 inch by 40 inch orange reinforced flagging tape. This style is perfect for tacking it to the end of a load. But if you're looking for a visibility marker, complete with hardware, you'll want to turn to this one. This streamer also includes a 15-inch blue Extra Flex rubber snap strap with 2 S-hooks and a 1/4-inch grade 30 chain. Now if you're looking for something heavy duty, don't worry, we have 2 different assemblies with a sturdy orange webbing instead. This webbing is the toughest of tough, with 80-inch strips clamped and sealed with shrink tubing. These log streamers are sure to last for a long time. And if you need replacement webbing, you guessed it, we've got that too. So, now we can see why these little markers are so critical. But if you have any questions, you can find us on social media or visit our website at greggdistributors.ca. Again, I'm Ryan, and thank you for joining me on Gear Up with Gregg's. Have a great Canadian day.